Hi everyone! Ang tagal kong hindi nag-vlog guys. Mga 5 araw yata. Last vlog ko nung nasa tayo sa Ukay-Ukayan. And then Sabado yun. Tapos ngayon is Thursday na. So ang tagal talaga. Kasi not feeling well ako guys. The past few days. Hanggang ngayon. At kailangan natin lumabas. No? Tsaka maaraw ngayon. So maganda talagang lumabas. Kita nyo yung suot ko. Sando guys. Mainit siya guys, pinagpapawisan yung kilikili ko. But yes, naghihintay kami sa bus. No, meron tayong pupuntahan today. And kanina nilinis yung daan, no, ang galing. Nilinis nila kasi abog. Ano yung abog sa Tagalog? Dusty ba? Dusty. Nakalimutan ko sa Tagalog guys. From here? Well, thank you.
Yeah.
It's so cheap.
That's the price we calculate. Russia, price of gas, and the toll that I take it to passengers pay my gas.
Are there buses?
Yeah, buses are much more expensive. Buses were like 28 euros.
Or there was a lake. Is it a lake? Merong lake doon guys. No, dadaanan natin ng lake. Oh, it's so nice here. That green na, hindi na gray.
Or
What?
we are doing the sand beach.
Sand beach.
No, this was like a wild park before.
Look, people are naked.
This was a wild park. I was here last time,
Huh?
a couple of years ago, and it was wild.
Wow, it's so nice here. Maybe it's gonna be a beach. They're preparing it for summer. Preparing for summer, guys. Sayang lang, hindi nyo makita na maaraw kasi. Hala, uy, dagong siya, guys. We go here. This way. Nice. What's with the tractor? Oh, look, somebody is swimming. Is it public?
Why should we go that way?
Ha? Doon kami sa kabila dadaan, guys. Tignan nyo yung fake na buhangin nito. Is it a fake sand? It's like soil.
Yes.
Ayun, may palaruan doon. Meron naliligo. Asan na yun? Ayun, oh, kung makita nyo ba? Merong ulo doon. Naglutaw-lutaw, nag-swimming. What is that? Oh, is it the changing room? Wow. Nice. Kompleto na siya. Meron changing room doon. Hindi ba? Ang dami. Pwede talaga maligo dito. It's the only lake in the city. You can tell it. You can tell it. Say it. Azerki means
Lakes.
lakes? Oh, what? Wait, ang daming ano yan?
So many.
So many, yeah. Ang dami guys.
Mosquitoes. They cannot bite yet.
Baby mosquito. Ang dami. So, ang meaning pala ng Azerki guys ay lakes. Kaya pala merong lakes dito. Tapos ang mga, kita niyo yan, mga nakapalibot is bahay ng mga mayayaman guys. So baka sabi ng asawa ko, in-influensyahan siguro nila yung government na magpagawa ng ano dito ng park ba para tumaas ang value ng properties nila. Baka ganun, baka kaya gumanda dito. Yeah, but hindi yung makita no, pero merong magagandang bahay. Ay, nasa ano ito guys no? Sentro. What is this?
Bicycle rack.
Oh, really?
Bicycle rack.
Really? Galing naman. Oh, merong ano dito. Pangag na. Ito, nasira na siya. Ayan, oh. Wow, it's so nice here. Oh, there's something over there. Merong ano doon, park. Nice view. Ay. Attention. No English? Rules?
Photo and put it to a video.
Yan, wala ko maintindihan. Naka-rush yan. O, tingnan yung bahay. Ang ganda. Diba, mga mayayaman nakatira dito, guys. Yeah, merong ano, guys. Merong daga.
Boys playing with that.
Ba't merong daga? Yung nakakita nyo ba yung lamok, guys? Oh, it's squirrel. Squirrel or a rat? Rat? Where? No, don't go. Over there. Ay, yeah, I can see it.
Take a video.
Ba't may daga, guys? Nakakaloka. Dito siguro sila nakatira, oh. Maybe they live here. Ayan, oh. And merong park doon. Na merong activities. Yun, pwede mag-rent ng boats. Yan. Free? Oh. 323 Azerki.
Rope park.
Oh, tingnan nyo yung aso nag-swimming. Cute. Da. Oh, it's for kids. Like, activity. Ayan, oh. Wala ka nakakatapos. Ayan, oh. Mga bata, guys. Loka. Ayan. Ayun, hala ka ginoo ko. Look at the kids. Oh my goodness. Ayan. Diyan sila dadaan. Tignan nyo yung roots, guys. Oh, naukap na siya. And ang tractor daw, sabi ng asawa ko, interesting daw. Turkish. Made in Turkey. Okay. Oh gosh. Malambot. Oh, what's that? station. Electric train, guys. Suburban train. And umuulan na. Oh my gosh! We go home. It's raining. It's raining. Ay, ginoo ko. Wow, look at that, guys. Meron din doon na cute. Look at that. Huh? We're not allowed to go. Stop in the middle. Paano tayo makakatawid? Oh no. Nag-backing lang siya, guys. Go, 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 go. Ayun. Uy, Hagardo Versosa na ako. Wala, nandito na kami sa gitna ng kagubatan, guys. Walang bus dito, no? For the lakad ng mga first one. Ganito yung daan sa amin, guys, ba doon sa Davao, doon sa dati naming bahay. Bahay namin dati nung hindi pa siya sinimento yung kalsada doon. Ang laki ng butas, guys. Ganito kalalaki yung butas. Batsi in Bisaya pa. Pero ngayon ayos na nila na. Sementado na after so many years. Dito tayo sa gubat dadaan, guys. Nakaloka kaya pala yung tiningnan namin yung ruta. Walang bus kasi ganito pala yung dadaanan. Tingnan nyo, guys, na meron silang nilagay na barricade. Kasi baka popular siguro to sa mga tao, no? Baka nagpupunta yung mga tao dito. Pinapasok ang mga sasakyan nila dyan, no? Para mag-picnic, kaya nilagyan ng ganito. Para hindi makapasok yung mga sasakyan. Liblib kasi siya, guys, no? So, walang nagbabantay. So, delikado rin pag mag-picnic dito. Baka masunog. Yan, nilagyan nila ng sarado. Ba't natumba ito? Looks like there's a car going here. Look, there's merong ano. Yeah, concrete siya, guys. Tingnan nyo, merong ano. Parang, ay, biskot na. Ah! Natagak na taslapok, guys. Putik. Merong lake dito, guys. Na naman. Oo. Put on my hoodie. Yan. Ayun, oh. Kita niya, merong lake na naman, guys. Ayun. Oo. So, dito tayo dadaan. Nakikita natin yung lake later. Ayan siya. Not rabab? Merong ganyan, rabab.
No, rabab is hard inside.
Is rabab in English term?
Yeah. This looks like rabab, but it's not rabab. Same color. Look, the stems look the same, but they are like hollow inside. When you break them, they are hollow inside.
Okay.
But rabab is hard inside and very tasty.
Ayun, guys, lake. Oh, should we swim? Hindi pa yung pato nag-swimming. Ayun, meron din naglalakad sa unahan.
Okay.
To the right. Nakikita nyo yun sa likod, guys. And dito nasa yung umiiwas yung isa, nasa industrial zone tayo, no? Typical industrial area during the Soviet Union. Yeah, tingnan nyo, ganyan itsura. Yan, nagamit pa rin nila hanggang ngayon. Yan May mga nagpipiknik guys.
Можно ознакомиться на сайте СНГ пассажирных транс или по телефону 8 800 200.
Da. Samsa guys. Wow, ang laki. Mm. Diba?
Why you don't put the sauce? It's supposed to pour it.
More delicious without sauce. Shibuya Crossing. Shibuya Crossing. City Mall. Ba't dito tayo sa Limana Pro pupunta? Again. Grabe na tao guys. Ano to? Metro Shibuya. Shibuya Crossing.
plenty of.
Coffee na rin. Oh, so it's not really bad.
Что со свежего? Что сейчас готовить? Так, один плов.
Yeah. And this is there. Take that.
Девочку абрикосовую.
Одну?
Да. Свежакай. Смотрите, приятно.
Одну порцию плова?
Одну.
Здесь будете, да?
Да.
Лепешку что-нибудь такое?
А, лепешка. Наверное,
Целый плавик?
Так.
9. 670. 20 рублей в этом?
20?
О, есть. Сейчас я это ключи.
Look. No?
50.
Nice for you. If I cannot finish this, you have to eat it. Look, guys, super delicious. Traditional Uzbek food, so guys, very popular dito sa Asia. Delicious.
Good. Okay.
Taste this. Okay. I'm not gonna finish this. So much. But meron pang samsam. Kainin ko na konti.